Welcome back, children. Welcome to your maths class. This is Kalavati Mishra from Central Academy. Children, yesterday in last class we have studied about the additions, right? Our second chapter, addition. And in addition, we have studied the properties of addition and we have solved some questions related to that, right? Some problems we have solved. Today, I am going to explain you the estimation and actual, estimated sum and actual sum. How can we compare them, right? Rounding off I taught you in chapter 1 that we will use here. First we will round off the numbers given to us, estimate it. Okay, that time also I told you rounding off means estimating it to the nearest 100, nearest 10 or nearest 1000, whatever is asked in the question. Okay, so now let's see this example to understand, then I will send you some questions to solve, right? Now see here, children, find the estimated and actual sum of the following by rounding the numbers to nearest 100. That means what is asked to do? First you have to round the numbers to the nearest 100, then you have to estimate the answer, right? Now actual sum, estimated sum. There is one question given to us, 3805 and 380. So what we will do? First we will add these two as it is. As it is means actual. The way it is given, the same way we will add. Okay. Now see, 3805. 3805 plus 380 plus 380. We have arranged in the columns and now we will add. 5 plus 0, 5. 0 plus 8, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So I will write 1 over here and 1 over here. That means carry forward. 1 plus 3, 4. Okay. So we got our actual sum. Sum means the answer that we get after adding two numbers, right? So our actual sum is 4185. Now children, let's find out the estimated sum. To find out the estimated sum, first we have to round off the numbers to the nearest 100. Round off the number to the nearest 100. So I told you how to do this. Let's do this. Round off the number to the nearest 100. 3805. So first I will write 3800 over here. To nearest 100, that day I told you a small poem also. First check which place value is to be rounded off, and the place value is hundreds place value, 100. So what is there in the hundreds place value? 8. Digit 8 is in hundreds place. So this is to be rounded off, right? From here, just check the next door neighbor. Okay, just check the right hand side neighbor, just adjacent, next, right next. Okay, so if this digit is weak, I told you about weak and strong digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are weak digits and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are strong digits. If the digit is strong, this will gain 1 point. 8 will become 9. This will gain 1 point. And if the digit is weak, this will not gain anything. It will remain same. And one more thing I told, from the arrow, all the digits on the right hand side will become 0. So from the arrow, this arrow, first digit this, and what is left after that? This. That means these two digits will become 0, right? And the digit is weak. 0 is weak. So will 8 get 1 point? No, it will remain same. So I have written same, and 3 I have written as it is. So this estimated I have written here. 3800 I have written here. Now in the same way, 380. Now let's do for 380. Okay children, 380. So what we will do? Which place value is to be rounded off? Hundreds place value. Again I will underline below 3. This place value is to be rounded off. Hundreds to nearest hundreds. Now let's take the arrow to the next door and check whether your neighbor is weak or strong. What is your neighbor, weak or strong? The digit is 8, and 8 is a strong digit. That means 3, 8. Why I am writing at the top? Because when we round up, when the digit is strong, we round up. Okay, so let's do this. Here 3 0 0. I told you from this arrow, whatever digits are here, we will make it into 0 0. But when this digit 8 is strong, so it will give this digit 1 point, right? 1 point. So this will become 4. 3 has become 4, and the digits after these two will become 0. From an arrow it will become 0. Now tell me, so if it has become 4, that means I will round this, because here the neighbor digit is strong. 400. I have taken 400 over here. Now let's add it. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4 is 12. I have written 2 over here. 1 I will give as, I will carry forward. 1 plus 3, 4. Right? Now let's add these two numbers. So 3 plus 1, 4. Now what is your estimated answer, children? 4,200. Your actual answer was 4,185 and your estimated answer is 4,200. I hope you all have understood. Now I will send you some questions. Solve those questions and I will send you classwork also. Please do that in your classwork copy. The way I send, in the same way you also have to do it in your classwork copy. Okay children, thank you, and let's meet in our next class.